Hello everyone. I'm Maria, and welcome to Maria Daily English.
Hi Maria. I'm John. Today we're learning how to accept or decline invitations in English, politely and naturally.
This is so important. Many learners know the words, but they're not sure how to say a yes or a no without sounding rude.
Exactly. Let's start with accepting invitations. When someone invites you, you can say, I'd love to, or that sounds great, or count me in.
Perfect. These phrases show enthusiasm. You can also add a thank you for inviting me, or I'd be happy to join.
What if you need to ask for more details first? Like time or place?
Great question. You can say, what time does it start? Or where is it? Or who else is coming? This helps you decide before saying yes or no.
Now, what if you want to decline? How do you say no politely?
The key is to be gentle. Start with, I'd love to, but. Or thank you so much, but. Then give a simple reason. I have other plans, or I'm busy that day.
You can also say, maybe next time, or I'll let you know soon if you're not sure yet.
Important tip. Always thank the person first. Thanks for thinking of me. It makes your no feel much softer.
Let's test this. Maria invites me to a party. Maria, what do you say?
Hey John. Would you like to come to my birthday party this Saturday?
Accepting, I'd love to. What time does it start? Perfect. Now declining, thank you so much for inviting me, but I have other plans this Saturday. Maybe next time.
Excellent. You sounded polite and friendly. Now let's try a dinner invitation. John, invite me to dinner.
Maria, would you like to have dinner with me tomorrow evening?
Accepting. That sounds wonderful. Where should we meet? Declining. I'd love to, but I'm busy tomorrow. Can we do next week instead?
Perfect. Notice how we offered an alternative when declining. That shows you still value the invitation.
Now let's hear these phrases in a natural conversation. I'll start. Hey John. A few friends are getting together for coffee this Sunday. Would you like to join?
That sounds great. What time?
Around 3 p.m. at the cafe downtown.
Perfect. I'd love to come. Thanks for inviting me.
Awesome. See you there. Hey, by the way, are you free for a movie night next Friday?
Let me check my schedule. I think I have plans, but I'll confirm tomorrow. Is that okay?
Of course. Just let me know. No pressure.
Thanks for understanding. If I can't make it, maybe we can plan something for the following week.
That works. I appreciate you being honest.
See how naturally we used both accepting and declining phrases. I'd love to, what time, I have plans, maybe next time.
Exactly. Quick review. To accept, I'd love to. That sounds great. Count me in. To decline, I'd love to, but thank you, but I'm busy, and maybe next time.
Common mistakes to avoid. Don't just say no, it can sound rude. Don't make up complicated excuses, a simple reason is enough. And always say thank you first.
Practice tip. Think of 3 invitations you might get this week. Coffee, dinner, party. Practice your yes and a no responses out loud.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Maria Daily English, and share it with a friend who wants to respond to invitations confidently.
And practice time. In the comments, Write how you would accept or decline this invitation. Would you like to join us for lunch tomorrow? We'll read and give feedback on every comment.
Keep practicing, stay polite, and remember, saying no gracefully is just as important as saying yes.
Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Keep speaking.